In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Upwork job alerts. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just getting started, receiving job alerts can significantly increase your chances of landing the right gigs, keeping you updated on new opportunities as they arise. Let's dive into the process of setting this up effectively on Upwork. First, you'll want to navigate to the Upwork homepage. If you aren't already logged in, go ahead and sign into your account. Being familiar with the home interface is critical as it's your starting point. Once there, move your attention to the top right corner. You'll find your profile icon here. Go ahead and click on it. This should reveal a drop-down menu with several options, but for now, focus on account settings, which is essential for configuring how you receive notifications. When you open account settings, you'll see an array of options managing different aspects of your account. From here, click on notification settings. This is the area where you control all the updates and alerts that Upwork sends you regarding your activities. Within notification settings, locate the section titled Show Notifications For. Now, this is crucial for getting timely updates. You'll want to select the option labeled All Activity. This option ensures you are not missing out on any possible job leads or notifications that match your skills and job preferences. In addition to job alerts, you might want to adjust how you are notified about messages. Navigate further down in the notification settings and find the message counter section. Here, similarly, ensure you click on All Activity. This step is vital if you wish to stay on top of communication, both from potential clients and for updates related to job applications. For those of you who use mobile notifications, let's configure that as well. Under Mobile Settings, which should be available further on the same notification settings page, ensure that you've also opted to show notifications for all activity. Especially if you're away from your computer often, these mobile alerts can be a lifesaver, allowing you to respond swiftly to new job postings or messages. Make sure you review the settings, ensuring that everything is set to your liking before exiting. By adjusting these settings, you maximize the job notifications that reach you, bridging any communication gaps and drastically improving your chances of securing projects that align with your expertise. By the end of this guide, you should feel confident that you are well equipped to receive real-time job alerts from Upwork. This small investment of time into your account settings can yield significant results, opening doors to opportunities you might have otherwise missed. Thanks for watching, and best of luck in your freelancing journey.